Hey, I'm here at Bayshore County Park. I'm going to take you a little tour on the walking trails and the boat launch. Dangerous conditions exist. Woo! No. Look at all those trees grow on the rocks.
I don't know how they do it.
Pretty amazing, huh?
Yes.
If you want.
I guess I can go up.
If you want.
Daddy long legs. Oh, I can leave. See you, Jeffrey.
Are you going back?
Yeah.
Okay. Go. I'm gonna keep going.
Oh, hold on. Come up a little bit. I'm gonna show him with the GoPro.
Well, I can go up there.
Okay. Morning steep.
Whew.
Remember the last time somebody was up here? Really not too long ago because there's a Capri Sun.
Nice.
That's chomped on.
Look at that tree growing like that. How do they not tip over?
The trees?
Yeah, look at how it's growing like that.
Yeah, well its roots, I can see its roots. Its roots are like 5 feet back.
It's cool, huh? Time to go back down. The harder part.
Oh yeah. Ooh. That tree fell. They didn't have long enough roots. So that one. This one only two. Big step, little step. And then there's a step in between.
That.
Yeah. I have not gone in there yet. And I don't think I will.
Here we go, boys.
This is when there was an avalanche with the rocks. And when chunk came down. There, you can go under it. You can go under the partial avalanche. Damn, that's steep.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. up here, why are they metal? Together on a rock. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Ooh, we made it.
Oh, that's the bottom!
Oh, here.
It's so cold at the bottom!
Dog over on the
Think
wild.
you going in the water? Look at the dog.
Touch it, I think. Nah, I'm joking.
Look at the doggy.
Should I running at the road?
I'm gonna go to the, all the way to that dock, and the dock there.
I'll join you. That's where I found my shovel handle.
Yep. Still in your room too, I believe.
Yeah, yes it is. Now are you gonna release this to YouTube?
I don't know. I can edit stuff out.
Okay.
Speaking of NSYNC, isn't that your favorite band?
No.
Between them and Justin Bieber, huh?
Good God, what are you on? Honestly, it's awesome. Tons.
Remember when you and Ellie ran through here when there was waves?
Oh yeah. That boat's going by. There might be more little waves again. Let's go. What was white stuff around here? Probably clay. That washed up. Oh.
This is new, isn't it, or not?
It is not.
It was there before?
Oh yeah. Long time. That's big spider webs.
Oh, you was.
Oh, this is cement. Actually, this is cement. Or concrete, one of the two.
Basically the same thing.
Yeah, basically. I don't know the difference. Ow.
Hi. Who's catching the big one? Huh? Anyone catching the big ones?
This makes no What? But we gotta get to the end.
Yeah, I know it. Just taking a good shot.
Come on, get it. Fair. Fair.
And we're at the end.
Go.
Now we just have to get over there. Should we swim? I don't think so. That's where we came from, right there.
I have a
So we gotta go all the way back
non-waterproof
around.
I'm not swimming. Plus, with how cold it is, we'll probably be a shock and we'll probably struggle to swim.
And I'm sweating. Here to the top.